In the quiet countryside of Shropshire, England, there lies a paradise of roses, the David Austin Rose Gardens. More than just a garden, it is a place where dreams bloom and poetry takes form in petals. Across these many acres, over 700 varieties of roses bloom, some graceful as noble ladies, others vivid like a midsummer's dream. Each rose here tells a story, brought to life by the hands of one man, David Austin. A poet of horticulture, he devoted his life to blending the charm of old-world roses with the vigor and repeat flowering of modern varieties, creating what we now know as the English rose. Walking through the winding paths, every turn is a feast of color and scent. Blush pinks, radiant yellows, deep crimson reds. Each variety offers a different mood, together painting a landscape worthy of a canvas. This is not just a place to see flowers, it is a sanctuary for the soul. Time slows here. You hear only the whisper of the breeze and the silent language of flowers. Tucked away in a corner is the charming Rose Cafe, where a warm cup of English tea and a scone invite you to pause and reflect. Surrounded by the very roses that inspired them. And in the plant center, you can even take a rose home, a living memory of your visit. Whether you're a gardener, a traveler, or simply someone searching for peace, the David Austin Rose Gardens offer a moment of quiet beauty. Here, roses are not just flowers, they are a way of seeing the world through the lens of wonder. The David Austin Rose Gardens are located in Albrighton, near Wolverhampton, in Shropshire, England. How to get there? By car. From London, about 2.5 to 3 hours drive. From Birmingham, around 40 minutes by car. Free parking is available on-site for visitors. By train, take a train to Wolverhampton or Cosford Station. From Wolverhampton Station, take a taxi, approximately 20 to 25 minutes. Or take a local train to Albrighton Station, about 15 minutes, then walk or take a taxi, approximately 5 minutes. The Devil's Chair is a place with stunning views that one can go after visiting the David Austin Garden. It is a dramatic rock formation located on Stiperstones Ridge in Shropshire, England. Within the Shropshire Hills area of outstanding natural beauty. The Devil's Chair is a large, jagged quartzite rock outcrop on the summit of the Stiperstones, a wild and rugged hill range.